Everyone, this is Chris Burns from SlashGear Ninja Community. Today we're taking a look at a few different things on Air Command on the Galaxy Note 3. Now if I put my S Pen close enough to the screen, tap it, I'm tapping the button right here, it brings up Air Command. Now the first thing I'm going to show you here is Action Memo. If I tap in Action Memo, it brings up this little screen here, and I'm able to do a variety of different things. What I'm going to do here is type in, or write in, Chris Burns. That's me. I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I did that kind of sloppily on purpose. Yeah, right, I just write like that. And I'm going to use this right here. When I hover over an action like hover over anything that Samsung understands here, which is essentially everything, I can see what I'm about to do, by the way. If I click here to link to action, it sees that I've written this, and I get a variety of choices here. One of the choices here is to head to the phone. In this case, that would dial this number with my name at the top of it. I can also add this name to contacts. I can use this for messaging. That won't work as well unless this is obviously an accurate phone number, in which case it will work just fine. Right here, the same is true for these contacts and all that stuff, of course. Email won't work right now because I didn't put an email in here at all. Browser will bring me to a browser and start searching with Google or whatever browser I have set. With map, if I've written an address, it'll actually bring me to maps to see that. And then task will set this in a task for my calendar. We're going to use this one right here. Go to contacts because that makes the most sense. And I get a choice of places where I can save it. I'm going to go ahead and save it to the device because that's easy. Do not show again. And poof, right where I need it to be. Real easy. We'll do one more of those. Head out like that. Again, I can tap into it like this. Go into Action Memo. It'll have the same thing I had there from before. I can just go ahead and X out of that. Go ahead and bring a new one up. And I'm going to write 1, 2, 3, 58th. Sorry, real sloppy. See how well I can get it. Avenue North. Now let's see what we can get. I can use that, and I'll go ahead and go to map there, see what we get. Oop, very, very close there. You see it got 58 and then 501, kind of mixed it up there a little bit. Let's go ahead and go to Minneapolis, just so I can show you one more thing. This little guy that's appearing here, this allows me to, if I tap here and I hover, you can see this little guy popping up. If I tap that, I can, actually this is still sticking around, it shouldn't be. That is actually bringing up the memo again so you can get right back to it. That's what that's for. My mistake. What this is, this little guy, I'm going to talk about that a little bit separately too, but this allows you to do sort of, you can write what you want to write in here. If I'm typing a C, H, R, I, S, and it starts typing it for you there, so you no longer have to use the keyboard if you don't want to. Pretty cool stuff.